Hello everyone and welcome back. Hope you're all doing great. Today I am back with a plant video and I would like to share with you how I harvest seeds for next year. Not only for next year, when you save the seeds properly, then those seeds will be viable for almost like 5 to 6 years. So I would like to share with you today how I do that. Without any further ado, let's get started. Timing is everything for seed harvesting. Letting the fruit mature fully before you harvest the seed is the key for fruitful harvest. I am right now next to my snake god vine, and the one right here is I've left this fruit for harvesting, seed harvesting, so it is not fully matured yet. The best way to know if the fruit is matured or not is you will see the fruit will start changing to color. Like from green it becomes to tan, and from tan to yellow. So that's when the fruit the seeds inside the fruit are matured enough for harvesting. When it comes to seed harvesting for all the plants, it's basically the similar technique. Check your plants for fully matured vegetables. So this one here is the example. This is a fully ripened. The seeds inside this are fully matured enough. I have just left it way too long, but when it starts to change color and you see it's changing from green to tan to yellow, then that's when the seeds are matured enough. So as you can see, the matured seeds will be plumper and they are full of viability. So these are the matured fruits. I'm going to clean them now and I'll share with you how I store them for the next years. These are the seeds, snake gourd seeds that I harvested today for seed storing, and they look like that. We just need to get the pulp out of the seed and we need these type of seeds. I'm going to wash them in the water. Now that I have washed my seeds thoroughly, there are 3 important steps to consider. Number first is dry them. Before storing them, dry them out first. Wet seeds will not store for very long. So what I did was, after washing the seeds off, I used this cloth, muslin cloth. You can use paper towels, or you just put it on the rack and dry them in the dark place. So when you are drying them, dry them away from the sunlight, because sunlight has the ability to break down the coating that the seed has already developed, which is called phytic acid. So if that coating breaks down, the viability of the seed will decrease. So it's important when you are drying them before storing and after storing, just dry them in a dark place and first for a week. And once you see the moisture is gone, you'll be able to notice the seeds will become dry and they will rattle. At that stage, it's after a week or so, you can store them in a dark place. So that comes to the second point, which is keep them in the dark. And the third important step is, if you store your seeds below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or below 0 degrees Celsius, freezer temperatures are the best way for the long-term viability. You can also store them in the airtight containers in the dark place. If you don't want to freeze them in the freezer and you're using them the next year, then that should be okay too. But if for the long-term viability, freezer temperatures are the ideal temperatures. And when it comes to storing, I store them in these Ziploc bags with name and date labeling. That way I know when these were stored. If you want to do your own farming, you need your own seed. The seeds, the non-organic seeds that we buy from outside from the market, they are modified, genetically modified, and they are hybridized to stay for longer periods of time. So when we are saving seeds, we are actively caring for our nature. Hope this was a helpful video, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.